Here is Turkey update. She's doing great. There's all the ducks. Pond is frozen solid, so they're not going out to it. Are you coming out to say good morning? Hello, Turkey. Are you coming out to say good morning? Did it snow? Yeah, did it snow last night? What do you think? I know. It's wild, isn't it? Did you just sleep out here? Cleared out that igloo for them. It literally looks like an igloo. And they all slept right here last night. Loving the snow. Let's go get some food. Get them fed. Is this your spot today? You just want me to throw it there for you? Here. There you go. There you go. Oh, Turkey's gonna brace it. Yeah. Get through. Oh my gosh. Oh, are you gonna not share? I'll get some more. Let's go get them some more. Apparently she's not sharing. And she took over their spot. I'm sorry, guys. Turkey, there's plenty. There's plenty to go around. She is standing right over that. That is so funny. Chickens are not out. Oh, be kind, Turkey. We're going to have to figure this out real quick. I had to put some more feed for them right there because Turkey is being very protective. She has never seen this much snow. But there's the dogs. They're so cute. I cannot believe they just slept out here all night long when they could have gone in there, but it's okay, right? Yeah, it's okay. One of the girls started coming out and said, yeah, I don't think so. There's no way. She's going back up. Here's the little path that I shoveled up to the stairs. I went down to do the poultry, and it has been snowing ever since. So the stairs are already getting some stuff on them. I love seeing the smoke come out from the wood stove.